Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on heads-up mode on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This section is where you'll find everything related to managing your screen time and device usage. When you spot this option, tap on it to open up a whole range of tools designed to help you understand your phone usage better. Step 3. Now scroll down to locate the Heads Up option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the Heads Up option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.